Sunroof drain maintenance is super important, especially this time of year in the winter. Let me take you through some basic maintenance and some signs. Your sunroof, moonroof, or retractable roof needs the drains maintenance. So first you want to inspect the headliner for water stains. If you have drips on your windshield or water on the floor and you have a sunroof, you can 100% suspect something's going on with the sunroof. It is not 100% sealed. It is it's almost contained to the roof, but it also has its own drainage system that runs through the A pillar and then also runs back through the B or C pillar depending on the design. And nobody pays attention to this. So if your wiper cowl has debris in it, chances are your sunroof drains have debris in it. Your sunroof drains drain out the bottom of the car, or they drain into the wiper cowl, and then the wiper cowl has its own drainage system. So if that becomes blocked with debris and fills up, you really won't notice it until it's full to the top, and then you'll get leaks in your car or electrical issues. But the most common problem is, not including if you had a windshield that was done by a guy who didn't do it right, that you'll see signs of water coming out of here on your windshield and your floor. You want to open your sunroof and you want to take a look inside here. This one's already open. I put some soap in there. Okay, you'll see that dust, dirt, and debris get in the track, and all that clogs in here with Mother Nature, leaves, spider silk, bugs. So let me just show you how I like to do it. Warm water, dish detergent, a degreaser, anything to break up and move those particles. And then you want to go right in here on a corner. There's the headliner. This is the track mechanism, and then this is the drainage system. So it runs along the track, and then it'll drain left and right, and then in the back it'll drain out the back somewhere too. But primarily your front drains are the ones that need the most attention. So we're going to pour it in here. Soapy water. You can see how it's going to track across, and it's going to go one way or the other. So we're going to pour a lot in here. And like I said, hot water is the best. And then you want to watch and see, where's it coming out. So this drains are flowing good. And right now that it's winter, if they're clogged and there's ice and water frozen in there, you may not know it yet, but when it thaws out, it's going to come, it's going to happen. So this is just some simple maintenance that people miss, skip, have no idea that does require maintenance until it's too late, like your toilet at your home. You know, you don't know that your systems need maintenance. You know, there's partial clogs or something, you know, brewing until it's clogged, and then it overflows into your house or your basement or your washing machine or whatever the case may be, or your whole house. Sunroof drains basically work like a plumbing system, and they do require maintenance from time to time. And if your wiper cowl's got debris on the top of it, you can bet there's debris inside of the wiper cowl too. Thanks for watching.